by the actual physical curriculum by your resume. We don't have to clearly define a career break there. Automatically, when we're talking about dates and tenure of every employment that we have actually had, automatically the break will be evident for the recruiter. Now, when it comes to the actual interview, honesty pays. So if you have taken a career break owing to marriage, say so. If you have taken a career break owing to maternity, say so. If you have taken a career break because of relocation or family, say so. Be absolutely clear about why you took a career break. Whether the interviewer judges you for it or doesn't take you for this particular job profile may be dependent on certain criteria. It may be a business requirement. Sometimes it may be the kind of person that is interviewing you, and he or she may be biased towards or against the people taking a career break. That is not for you to judge. What you can do is be absolutely brutally honest. Many men also are asked questions. They also take career breaks, and they're very clear, saying, I took a sabbatical, or I had to take care of my aged parents and there was no one at home. My father was paralyzed. I was taking care of him. So at that point, now from a recruiter's perspective, I think it is high time that we are very sensitive to genuine cases of career breaks. Not, people don't take career breaks if they have other choices. They only take career breaks when and if necessary. So I think the person's skill sets are still the same. If we are sensitive, a little more accepting, our businesses can be run beautifully without any problem. So yeah, that's my take.